Today, I'll be showing you how to manually increase your debit card limits yourself. Log into your EagleNet online banking platform. Once here, you'll see your name in the top right corner. Click the name for a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Service Center, and from there, select Debit Card Management. You should see Increase Card Limit as the menu header. Here you can increase your purchase ability, commonly known as your POS or Point of Sale Transactions limit, to as high as $7,500. And you can increase your ATM withdrawal limit to $1,500. You can set the expiration of this limit increase, though there is a 5-day maximum to ensure the safety of your account. Please note that these limit increases can only be done for one card at a time. We hope this added convenience will make your life a little easier. We're North Country Savings Bank, the neighbors you know and the bank you trust.